powder, 1 teaspoon, pinch of salt, some milk and 2 eggs. First we sieve maida, baking powder, salt. Let's keep a batter in a big bowl. Add powdered sugar gradually. Here butter, sugar are mixed. Let's add egg one by one. Let's add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Let's add milk and maida mix. Here is our batter is ready. It transfers to piping bag. Let's fill muffin cups. Heat the muffin in preheated oven. Here our soft and yummy muffins is ready.
Hi, I am Lamia. I am going to baking a cake using toaster. Let's see ingredients. Maida, baking powder, sugar, milk, oil, egg. I bake cake using this toaster. Beater, clean bowl. First preheat toaster. First bake the egg. I use this beater. It is easy for me. Add sugar. Beat egg until fluffy. Add oil into egg mixer. Add maida little by little. Add little milk. Float maida slowly. Then again add maida and add milk. Then make a smooth batter like this. Brush the oil into toaster. Pour the batter into toaster. After pour, close the lid of toaster. See, one side is ready. Bake another side. Wait until cook. Wow, it's ready. Our yummy cake ready. Happy World Food Day. Thank you for watching.